human side of healing.
Oh, I love this part.
Norman, another name for expert. Nobody plans to get hurt. But if you do, count on the orthopedic experts at Norman Regional Health System.
At Norman Regional, we believe in integrating advanced medical technique with exceptional patient care.
Roll call!
And we want to pump you up.
This is an extremely violent tornado.
Today, we remain more strong.
This is the last call for Norman Regional Order Emergency Department.
We're committed to our mission, providing personalized health care with compassion and excellence.